2026 Honda Scoopy is a stylish and compact scooter that continues to push the boundaries of innovation and design in the commuter market. Featuring a sleek, modern body, this model embodies both practicality and cutting-edge technology. Its updated engine ensures excellent fuel efficiency, providing users with more mileage per liter, making it an ideal choice for both urban and rural commuting. The Honda Scoopy is powered by a 110cc, air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and responsive performance, perfect for both novice and experienced riders. The engine is paired with a reliable CVT, continuous variable transmission, for effortless shifting, ensuring a smooth ride even in stop-and-go traffic. The 2026 model also boasts improved suspension, offering better comfort and stability on various road conditions. Design-wise, the 2026 Scoopy takes cues from its predecessors while introducing modern aesthetics, such as a more streamlined frame, sharper body lines, and vibrant color options. The scooter's compact size ensures it is easy to maneuver through tight spaces, ideal for city environments. The advanced digital instrument panel offers all the essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip details, while the LED lighting provides increased visibility and a contemporary look. Another notable upgrade is the smart key system, which enhances security and convenience with keyless entry. Additionally, the 2026 Scoopy includes a larger under-seat storage compartment, perfect for carrying daily essentials or small groceries, and a more ergonomic seat for added rider comfort. Safety is prioritized with features such as CBS combi brake system, ensuring better braking stability, and a durable frame for added protection in case of a collision. In terms of eco-friendliness, Honda has optimized the engine for lower emissions, making the Scoopy a more environmentally conscious option without sacrificing performance. The 2026 Honda Scoopy combines practicality, performance, and modern features, offering an excellent solution for anyone looking for an efficient, stylish, and enjoyable riding experience. Thanks for watching. Take care and subscribe my YouTube channel.